Hello students, I am Kalyani Vabde and welcome to the Department of Mathematics of KTHM College, Nasik. We are going to study Mathematics paper first, groups and coding theory of SYBSE Computer Science class. So students, today we discuss about integers. In this video, we see integers, division algorithm, their examples and GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Okay. Now we start with the integers. So what is meant by integers? An integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative or 0. That is -1, -2, -3, all negative numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, all positive numbers. Okay. Note that integer cannot be a fractional number. For example, 1/2, 1/3, 3/4. These are not the integers. Remember that integer is a whole number. Okay. Next, division algorithm statement. Let a and b be integers with b greater than 0. That is, b is positive integer. Then there exist unique integers q and r with the property that a equals to b times q plus r, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b, but exclude b. That is, r lies between 0 and b but exclude b. Note that q is quotient and r is remainder. We all know the dividend rule. So see dividend rule. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Must remind this dividend rule. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Next, we see some examples. First, a equals to 17 and b equals to 5. Find q and r by using division algorithm. So here we want to find the quotient and remainder by using division algorithm. Solution: by division algorithm we get a equals to b times q plus r, where r lies between 0 and b, exclude b. Substitute the values here. So we get 17 equals to 5 into q plus r. So we do the calculation in such a way that 5 into q plus r is equals to 70. So we all know these calculations. 5 into 3 is 15 and 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. So here we get quotient 3 and remainder 2's. So here we get 17 is equals to 5 into 3 plus 2. 2 lies between 0 and 5, exclude 5. So we get quotient q equals to 3 and remainder r equals to 2. Okay. Now next example. A equals to -23 and b equals to 6. Find again q and r by using division algorithm. Solution: by division algorithm we get a is equals to b times q plus r, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. Substitute values here. So here we get -23 equals to 6 into q plus r. Here a is negative. Now we know that 6 4s are 24. So 6 into -4 is equals to -24, and -24 plus 1 is equals to -23. So here quotient is -4 and remainder is 1. So here -23 equals to 6 into -4 plus 1. 1 lies between 0 and exclude 6. Q is -4 and R is equals to 1. Next, greatest common divisor, that is GCD. The greatest common divisor of two non-zero integers a and b is the largest of all common divisors of a and b. That is, here we want to find the common divisors of a and b and find the largest one, that can be called as greatest common divisor. We see some example. Here notation GCD of a comma b. This is the notation of GCD. Example, find the GCD of 12 and 18. This example is just for the understanding the concept of GCD. Solution, divisors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the divisors of 12. Similarly, find the divisors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now we want to find the common divisors of 12 and 18, which are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So among these common divisors, the greatest one is 6. Hence, GCD of 12 and 18 is 6. So, all of you get it this? Okay. Now, next, relatively prime integers. So, relatively prime integers means when GCD of two integers a and b is equals to 1, then we say that a and b are relatively prime. Example, find the GCD of 7 and 8. Solution, divisors of 7, 1 and 7 itself. Divisors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now find the common divisors of 7 and 8 is 1. And here GCD of 7 and 8 is 1. Hence 7 and 8 are relatively prime integers. Okay. Next we see some examples. Find GCD of 12 and 32 by using division algorithm. Solution, by using division algorithm, a equals to b times q plus r, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. So substitute the values here. So we get 32 is equals to 12 into q plus r. So 12 2s are 24 and 24 plus 8 is equals to 32. So here we get quotient 2 and remainder 8. So here we get 32 is equals to 12 into 2 plus 8. Now we continue this process or division algorithm till we get the remainder 0. So here remainder is equals to 8. So we want to apply the division algorithm to divisor, that is 12 and remainder 8. So here we consider 12 as A and 8 as B. So 12 is equals to 8 into Q plus R. Now 8 into 1 is equals to 8 and 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. So here we get quotient Q is equals to 1 and remainder R is equals to 4. So here we get 12 is equals to 8 into 1 plus 4. Again the remainder is not equals to 0. So here we want to apply the division algorithm to divisor 8 and remainder 4. So we get 8 is equals to 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 plus 0 is 8. So here we get the remainder 0. So we stop this process here and we get the GCD is 4. Okay. So GCD of 32 and 12 is equals to 4. GCD is a linear combination. Statement: for any two non-zero integers a and b, there exist integers s and t such that GCD of AB is equals to AS plus BT. Moreover, GCD of AB is the smallest positive integer of the form A into S plus B into T. Example: find GCD of 115 and express it in the form GCD of 115 is equals to 100 into S plus 15 into T, for S and T belongs to the set of integers. Solution: here A is equals to 100 and B is equals to 15. So see here, A and B both are the positive integers, so we take A greater than B. So that's why here A is 100 and B is 15. So by using division algorithm, A is equals to B times Q plus R, where 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Substitute the values. 100 is equals to 15 into Q plus R. So 15 into 6 equals to 90 and 19 plus 10 is equals to 100. So quotient is 6 and remainder is 10. So we get 100 is equals to 15 into 6 plus 10. Give it to the equation 1. Now we apply the division algorithm to divide of 15 and remainder 10. So 10 into 1 is equals to 10 and 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. So we get 15 is equals to 10 into 1 plus 5. Give it to the number second. Now again we apply the division algorithm to 10 and 5. So again 10 is equals to 5 into 2 plus 0. So here we get the remainder 0. So that's why GCD is equals to 5. Therefore, GCD of 115 is equals to 5. Now, we want to express the GCD is a linear combination. That is, GCD of 115 is equals to linear combination of 115. Okay. So here, consider the equation second. 15 is equals to 10 into 1 plus 5. So by using this equation second, we get 5 equals to 15 minus 10 into 1. So here from equation first is 100 equals to 15 into 6 plus 10. So here we want to substitute the value of 10. Therefore 10 is equals to 100 minus 15 into 6. Substitute this value here. So we get 15 minus 100 minus 15 into 6. Bracket complete into 1. So open the bracket and do the calculation. So we get 15 minus 100 into 1 plus 15 into 6. Now see here, 15 into 1 plus 15 into 6. So 15 take out common. So 15 into 1 plus 6, that is we get 15 into 7. So here next step we get 15 into 7 minus 100 into 1. So take out minus sign into the bracket. We get 15 into 7 plus 100 into minus 1. Interchange. 5 is equals to 100 into minus 1 plus 15 into 7. So here we get the value of S is equals to minus 1 and T is equals to 7. So linear combination 5 is equals to 100 into minus 1 plus 15 into 7. Therefore S is equals to minus 1 and T is equals to 7. Get it? Next example. Show that 4999 and 1109 are relatively prime. Also find S and T such that 1 equals to 4999 into S plus 1109 into T. That means here we want to show that these two integers are relatively prime. Relatively prime, that means GCD is equals to 1. Solution. Here we take A is equals to 4999 and B is equals to 1109. Here both are the positive integers, so that's why we take A greater than B. By using division algorithm, A is equals to B times Q plus R. 0 less than or equals to R less than B. So substitute the values here. That means we get 4999 equals to 1109 into Q plus R. Now we do some calculations. So here 1109 into 4 is equals to 4436, and add here 563, so we get 4999. So here quotient is 4 and remainder is 563. So we get this step 4999 equals to 1109 into 4 plus 563. Give it to the equation number first. Now we apply the division algorithm to divisor 1109 and remainder 563. Since we want remainder 0, we apply the division algorithm till we get the remainder 0. So here 563 into 1 is 563 and plus 546 is equals to 1109. So here we get 1109 equals to 563 into 1 plus 546. Give it to the equation number second. Now again remainder is not 0. So here we want to apply the division algorithm to 563 divisor and remainder 546. So we consider A as 563 and B as 546. So after doing some calculations, we get 563 is equals to 546 into 1 plus 17. Give it to the equation number third. Now again we apply the division algorithm to 546 and 17. So A considered as 546 and B as 17. So after some calculation, 70 into 32 we get 544 and 544 plus 2 is equals to 546. So here quotient is 32 and remainder is 2. So we get the step 546 is equals to 17 into 32 plus 2. Give it to the equation number 4. Now divisor 17 and remainder 2. Again we apply the division algorithm to this integer. So we get 17 is equals to 2 into 8 plus 1. Now here remainder is 1 and quotient is 8. So again we apply the division algorithm to integer 2 and 1. So here we get 2 equals to 1 into 2 plus 0. So here quotient is 2 and remainder 0. So here we get the remainder 0. So here our GCD is 1. So therefore 4999 and 1109 GCD is 1. That is, these two numbers are relatively prime. Okay. Now observe the equation number 5. We want to express this GCD in the form of linear combination. That means here we want to find out S and T. So from equation number 5, 17 equals to 2 into 8 plus 1, we get 1 is equals to 17 minus 2 into 8. Now here we want to substitute the value of 2. So observe the equation number 4. So equation number 4 is 546. See here, 546 equals to 17 into 32 plus 2. So by using this equation we get the value of 2. 2 is equals to 546 minus 17 into 32. So you substitute this value here. So we get 17 minus 546 minus 17 into 32 into 8 from equation number 4. Now simplify this. So we get 17 into 1 minus 546 into 8 minus 17 into 256. So see here, 17 into 1 minus minus plus 17 into 256. So that means we get 17 into 257. So here we get 17 into 257 minus 546 into 8. Now observe the equation number 3rd. So see here, equation number 3rd, 563 equals to 546 into 1 plus 17. This is the equation number 3rd. From this equation we get the value of 17. 17 equals to 563 minus 546 into 1. So substitute this value here. So we get 563 minus 546 into 1 into 257 minus 546 into 8. So from equation number 3rd, now simplify this equation. So we get 563 into 257 minus 546 into 257 and minus 546 into 8. Simplify this, open the bracket. Again simplify this. So here 563 into 257 minus, take out minus sign common. So here we get 546 into 257 plus 546 into 8. So here 257 plus 8, then we get 256. Now observe the equation number 2. 1109 equals to 563 into 1 plus 546. So here value of 546 is equals to 1109 minus 563 into 1. Substitute this value in this equation. So we get 563 into 257 minus 1109 minus 563 into 1 into 265 from equation number 2nd. Now simplify this equation. So we get 563 into 257 minus 1109 into 265 plus 563 into 265. So here again observe these two terms, 563 into 265 and 563 into 257. So 563 into 257 plus 265. So here we get 522 and minus 1109 into 265. Now observe the equation number first. Equation number first, see here, 4999 equals to 1109 into 4 plus 563. So from this equation we get the value of 563 as 4999 minus 1109 into 4. Substitute here. So we get 499 minus 1109 into 4 into 522 minus 1109 into 265 from equation 1. Again simplify this. So 499 into 522 minus 1109. See here, multiply by 4 and out of bracket multiply by 522. So take multiplication of these two number here. So we get 2088. So that's why we get minus 1109 into 2088 minus 1109 into 265. Now here take out minus 1109 common and into the bracket 2088 plus 265. So here we get 2353. So that means here we get the 4999 into 522 minus 1109 into 2353. So that means here we get S 522 and T minus 2353. Take out minus sign inside the bracket. So here we get this. S is equals to 522 and T is equals to minus 2353. Okay. Thank you.